everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, July 27, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. So what you're going to see here is that the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading lower by about 12 points to 2065.5 per contract. Market again is getting hit, coming under pretty severe pressure. The news right now coming out of everywhere is that the Shanghai composite completely imploded last night. That index was down, I believe, in the overnight session, which we were all sleeping, but it was down about 8.5%. That's a big move lower, and that is definitely causing a lot of the Chinese ADRs to come under pressure today. We'll review those in just a few minutes, but as you can see, the futures, they are trading decently lower again for another session here. So we'll see how this market plays out, but again, watch for weakness in a lot of the Chinese ADRs to start off the day. You're going to look at stocks like Sohu. Their stock is very weak, trading around 41.76, closed at 44.68. Baidu is another one. This has been really soaring and roaring to the upside. Stock right now is trading at $200.35. It closed at 206.25. If you take a look at Sina Corp, it's another Chinese ADR trading at $40.25 at the moment. It was closed at $42.51 on Friday. So we're seeing a lot of different names. Some other names that are notable: Youku. You could see this one trading decently lower, $18.77 at the moment. Stock closed at $20.15. Kihu is another one. Punch in that ticker symbol, and you'll see this stock's trading at 60.50, closed at 64.40. So everything in the Chinese realm is down. Anything in that area is going to be weak, at least at the start of the open. So I think traders should keep an eye out for a lot of these Chinese ADRs. At some point, some of them will be buying opportunities, so we'll be looking at a lot of these once the opening bell rings. I think there's going to be some nice scalp trades out there this morning. So again, if you want to come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, you'll see everything that we are doing. But we're going to have Chinese ADRs all over the board this morning. They're all gapping down, and if we can find the right buy point or the right institutional support level, there's a trade to be had. And there's a bunch of those names out there. So again, we'll be looking at those right at the opening bell. Next up, I want to talk about Teva. This stock is trading right now at $68.32. It closed at $61.85. Looks like Teva withdrew their bid to buy out Mylan Labs. So again, the stock is trading decently higher. They are going to make a proposal, though, or they did propose to buy out Allergan, AGN's, I believe, their generic unit. So not right now. Teva's doing well. You got AGN doing pretty decent. AGN is trading up a little bit as well. The one stock that is getting hit is Mylan, off of the news, and Mylan right now is trading down around 56.50. So we're going to have some levels for Mylan. That'll be a gap play in the morning, and we'll see how it all shakes out. But again, Teva and Allergan moving higher, Mylan moving lower. Let's take a look at, I believe, NSC. They reported earnings, Norfolk Southern. Looks like the stock's trading at $82, closed at $82.96. I don't really love this name right now. If the stock gets down to around $76, that's where I get interested in it. I'm not sure it's going to get down there today, but it could. So let's see how this one plays out. But this one will be on our radar once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at UBS. I believe they came out with numbers or something along those lines. Check out the news for yourself. Right now the stock's trading at $22.23, so it's basically right where it closed. If it got down to around $21.20, I think there could be a little bit of a bounce play there, so keep UBS on the radar. I believe McGraw-Hill, ticker symbol is MHFI. I believe they reported earnings as well. I'm not seeing any activity or movement just yet. Excuse me. But we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. So this one could be in play, and we'll see how it plays out. We have the gold market down. Gold futures are up $6.10 to $1,091.60 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD today. You'll see that's sitting right around the 104.70 level. Not sure we're seeing too much activity here, but we'll keep an eye on it once the opening bell rings. Again, gold has been somewhat under a little bit of pressure, but Friday afternoon it did make a little bit of a move into the upside. So we'll see if gold is finally trying to find a low, but right now it's still undetermined. All right, let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil futures are trading lower by 72 cents to $47.42 a barrel. That's a pretty ugly move for crude. Take a look at the USO today. You'll see this is trading at 1576. Pretty good decline here to start the morning. USO did close at 1603 on Friday. So again, oil's under pressure. Gold is trying to rebound, but it's going to be an interesting day. When we take a look at the U.S. dollar index, which is on my left side of my screen here, you're going to see that's trading down just a little bit as well. So again, it's going to be a market full of surprises. Let's see what it gives us. But when we have down tape before the opening bell, we usually get opportunity. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing there. And again, we have Chinese ADR galores at the start of the day today. So we're definitely going to get some action there. All right, everyone. With that being said, come on over, check us out in the Money Stocks, and I will see you all on the charts.